Here's easiest, most affordable, and fastest way to spruce up the appearance of your hallway. I have 2 rental units and I decided to give them some color. I chose unmellow yellow for one door and the tropics color for the second door. And here you go. I removed the doors off the hinges, took them to my roof, spray painted, installed them back, added the numbers for apartment 1 and apartment 2. And here you go, the end result. What a fantastic transformation. What a coat of paint can do. I hope you like it. Keep healthy.